Hey JavaScript enthusiasts! Get ready to unravel one of JavaScript's most fascinating and sometimes confusing behaviors: hoisting. Understanding hoisting is absolutely crucial because it dictates how your variables and functions are set up and accessed, especially before their actual declaration. It's a key concept for writing bug-free and predictable JavaScript code, preventing unexpected undefined values or reference errors. At its core, hoisting is JavaScript's default behavior of moving declarations to the top of their current scope, whether that's the global scope or a function's scope. Before your code even executes, the JavaScript engine performs a compilation phase. During this phase, it scans the code and lifts all var variable declarations and function declarations to the top. However, it's important to note that only the declarations are hoisted, not the initializations. So, a hoisted var variable is initialized with undefined, while a hoisted function retains its entire definition. You can use this while often discussed as something to be aware of to avoid pitfalls. Understanding hoisting helps you debug unexpected behavior, especially in older codebases or when working with var. Developers implicitly rely on function hoisting when defining utility functions at the bottom of a script but calling them earlier. It also clarifies why using let and const, which are hoisted but remain in a temporal dead zone until initialization, is generally preferred for predictable variable access. Now let's break down the code line by line. First, here, we call the console.log method, passing hoisted var as the argument. We are attempting to display its value before its explicit declaration. Due to hoisting, hoisted var exists but is implicitly undefined at this point, which is the result printed. Then, on this line, we declare the variable hoisted var using the var keyword and initialize it with the string I am hoisted. This assignment updates hoisted var from its hoisted undefined state to the specified string value, making it fully available for subsequent operations. Then, we call console.log again, passing hoisted var. Since the variable has now been fully declared and initialized with a string, console.log will correctly output the assigned string value. This shows the variable's value after initialization. Finally, the output clearly shows two distinct values. First, undefined confirms the variable existed but wasn't initialized at the first console.log. Second, I am hoisted shows its value after the explicit initialization, demonstrating hoisting's effect. Mastering hoisting is a big step towards becoming a JavaScript pro. It demystifies a lot of behavior you might encounter. If this explanation clicked for you, hit that like button. And tell me in the comments what JavaScript concept or feature should I break down next.